happening?
Yes, parang
The whole street is gone. The whole street is gone. The whole day was like the whole street is gone. Not just here. It's the whole street.
wala ring internet. Wala gumagana.
Dito hindi na gumagana yung mga stoplight.
We're so sorry about this, but
Pero our guy didn't make it. We only have 33 euros. You're a lifesaver. Please, 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 please. Morning! We also got the early access for Casa Batlló. Yung 8:30 slot. Para rin ma-appreciate namin siya nang wala pa masyadong tao. Ito na siya! From the outside. So, parang iba naman yung theme for this one. Ayun, 8:30. Nakapila na sila. Pero parang mas popular din kasi tong Casa Batlló. Be the first. Oh, it's a long line. Kahit na be the first. Ayun o, may tickets pa rin. Okay dito guys. Nakita lang namin siya sa world's best coffee shops. Pero meron pa silang isa pang badge na the best coffee shops. And then, napansin lang namin, ang dami nag-work or nag-aaral dito. And in fairness, they have like a refill option for cold brew. Tapos, sinatry ko lang intindihin kasi meron dun sa likod ni Chris. Parang pwede mo ata siyang i-refill for like 12 hours. second drink.
Hello? Hello? At dahil napagkape ako,
Kapag kape,
Ang
nakapag-matcha pa.
tara na!
We're here at a Spanish ukay-ukay. Yung mga humana stores. Thrift shops yun. Pwede din pala mag-donate to. Yung mga mabibigat ko, iwan ko na dito. Donate mo na yung nabili mo sa Paris. Babalik kami sa shoppingan. Nandito kami sa Mango Man.
Pero, hindi kami bibili.
Oh, tinan mo, merong custom na suits, I think, downstairs. Hey, wow. So, ano to? Mango Man lang. Kasi yung malaking mango for girls, nandun sa kabilang street. Tinur na namin kayo dito. Ano bang tawag dito sa street na to? Gracia ba? Gracia? Uy, ang ganda ng building na yun.
Sobrang ganda. Sasagsakan na kami.
Sobrang ganda mo. What's happening?
Yes, for experience.
Is it like an alarm?
Hello? So, nasa Loewe na kami. May binibili lang si Nicole. Tapos, biglang namatay yung ilaw. So, sa buong building ata, nag-brown out. Ayun siya. So, hindi niya mabili yung bag niya. Kasi pati yung terminal, hindi gumagana. Wala ring internet dito. Tapos, kanina, may alarm na umingay. Hindi namin alam kung ano yun. But it's for the experience. So yeah. So tinitour na lang kami sa loob ng store where they have natural light coming in para medyo maliwanag. So here's the place. So beautiful. Ganda. Well, it's like a garden.
This is the biggest Louis store in the world.
Oh, in the world!
So special to buy something
Yes.
from here.
Yeah.
So actually, you can see, well, today not as much, but you have several Picassos as well. You have several.
The whole street is gone.
The whole street is gone.
The whole day was like
part of the
a
experience.
fire. It's part of the experience.
It was a fire?
There was
Yeah.
a fire in front of the Mandarin Hotel from the generator or something. And
So
we
may sunog
believe
daw.
the whole plot, like the whole street is gone, not just here. It's the whole
Okay.
street.
Oh, I think, yeah,
So
it's,
I don't know
yeah.
when it's gonna come back. Do you
Exactly.
want me to-
I will give you my card. I'll let you know when it's here, so you don't have to wait here.
WhatsApp?
Yeah, you have my WhatsApp over there. So you can text me, and I'll
Yeah.
tell you when.
Yeah.
Hello mga kababayan, ito po si Nicole Alexandra Gaba, nagre-report sa Barcelona. Okay naman po mga kababayan natin dito sa Barcelona. Mabuti po ang kalagayan namin dito. Hindi po kami napano. Hindi lang po kami nakapag-shopping pero okay lang po kami dito. Ang dami pong tao sa labas kasi po wala pong kuryente sa loob. Kaya po naglabasan kami. Hindi kami makapagbayad, hindi kami makapamili. Sinasabotahe tayo ng madlang Barcelona. Pero parang yung mga tao sa Casa Batlo, tuloy lang yung buhay nila, lakad-lakad lang sila ganun. Pero yung building ng Loewe, sige, pag nakabalik na lang sa akin yung camera. Pero yung building ng Loewe, tsaka yung mga katabi niya, wala daw. And sabi nung SA, nakausap namin kanina si Miguel, first time daw to na ganito katagal. Yun pala, dahil na sa sunog. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Hindi pa kami tatawag sa embassy kasi okay pa kami dito. Okay pa kami.
Ano pa?
Yun lang po mga kababayan. Ito po si Nicole Alexandra Gaba, nag-uulat mula sa Barcelona. Kabayan?
kabayan. Ito na po ang ilagay ngayon dito sa kahabaan ng kalsada. Dahil humaching pa si Kuya. Yung hatching ni Kuya kayang puksain ng apoy. Mga kabayan. Walang sunog-sunog na makakaawat sa asawa ko. At balak pa akong kuhanan ng litrato. Wait lang po. Hindi ko na alam. Natataranta na ako sa pinapagawa mo sa akin. Ayun na. Bubulag daw kami. Sa selfie, tatawid. Ewan, papasok. Ay, ko na alam.
Yung camera ko.
Oh,
Camera ko.
yung camera ko. Kunin naman daw sa akin. Ito na, wait lang mga kabayan. Kukunin ko na yung camera niya.
Pickpocket.
Ay, Diyos ko. Asawa ko.
Ito na.
Nakuha na. Okay. Sige mo.
Ikaw ang bida. Kabayan. Halika na. Hello, kabayan. Ako po ulit si Nicole Alexandra Gaba, nag-ulat live mula dito sa Casamia. Gusto po namin pumasok dun sa souvenir shop, pero sarado. Wala din po nagtitinda ng tickets, wala po makakapasok. So, nung nagtanong po kami, ang sabi nila mga kabayan ay walang kuryente sa kahit saan. Sa buong Espanya, pati sa Portugal. Excuse me po. Butaga ako. Excuse me po. Ayun, so bakit kaya? Akala ko yung street lang. Pero sa kabilang street na to eh. Tapos wala ba rin kuryente.
So tingin mo, yung sunog ba yung dahilan o iba pa?
Piling ko may nananabot tayo sa ating bakasyon. Kasi hanggang May 1 na lang po kami dito. Pero hindi tayo magpapatinag. Lalabas pa rin tayo ng lalabas. At magbababad dito sa streets of Spain. Back to you, bye.
Guys, imagine nyo ganito yung buhay ko araw-araw. Parang may stand-up comedy sa bahay namin.
Ubo talaga
Ayan,
ako.
Tubig, kabayan.
Wala tayong mapapala.
Wait lang, kabayan. Oh, tubig ka muna, kabayan. Tubig.
Takpan mo, hindi tayo sponsored ng Epic.
Pero binanggit mo.
Hindi tayo sponsored ng
Okay, kabayan.
City daw eh. Hindi naman country si ate talaga.
Oh, ulitin mo. Correction.
Hindi ko alam. Alam mo, tignan na lang natin sa Google. Barcelona brownout, di ba?
Trending.
Kung alam kong may internet din na tayo, baka kaya nawala.
Oh, check natin.
Wala, oh.
Oo nga, no. Oh, kabayan, titingnan muna namin kung may internet kami. Hindi namin babanggitin yung internet provider namin kasi hindi kami sponsor.
Hindi kami sponsor. Unless gusto nyo kami sponsor, Big Sky Nation.
Bakit galit yun yung papasponsor?
Sinasabi ko sa inyo, Big Sky Nation. One day we'll make it big. Like Big Sky Nation.
Grabe ito ako. Oh, kabayan, wala ring internet. Walang gumagana. So ngayon, base na lang kami sa Google Maps. Sundan na lang namin yung ilaw, yung flashlight kung nasaan kami.
Flashlight!
Ayun.
Wala. Literally, nasa labas yung mga tao. Kasi walang kuryente. So far, anong oras na ba? 1:31. So, na-witness namin yung mga tao. Tinatry nilang pumasok sa mga restaurants. Pero yung mga restaurants na mismo yung nagsasabi na walang available. Syempre, hindi rin kasi sila makapagbayad. And then, maybe some of the appliances hindi nila Ito rin, no? Nagka-close na yung ibang mga shops. And then everyone's like outside. May
Tapos,
mga
may narinig kami.
may mga naririnig kaming mga wang-wang. So, hindi ko alam kung police ba yun
Or ambulance or fire
or
truck.
fire truck. Yeah. Okay, I'll show you the streets. Even banks are down ba? Kaya wala talaga.
Guys, pati yung mga kotse nila, iniwanan nila sa kalsada.
Parking yan. Parking kasi yan o. Ayan o. Oh, we're a few minutes away from our Airbnb. Dito hindi na gumagana yung mga stoplight. Paano malalaman? Okay, I guess we just cross. Parang hindi. Parang hindi sila makabayad din.
Save na lang muna natin yung
Oo. Ako wala talaga akong cash. Wala talaga. Pumunta ako ng Europe guys, 30 euros lang in cash yung dala ko. wala talaga. Even data, wifi, all down. Dito kami sa Sagrada now kasi mamaya yung tour namin. Don't know if they're accepting people in.
Ayan. So, nakauwi naman kami. Wala pa rin kuryente. Wala kang mabila ng pagkain. So, kinakain na lang namin yung mga chocolates na binili namin kahapon. Wala pa rin kaming internet ngayon. So, bahala na. Yung Sagrada, pumunta kami kanina. Parang 5 p.m. today yung schedule namin. Nakita namin nagpapapasok pa rin naman sila. So, baka matuloy din naman. Sana. No, yung Sagrada namin mamayang 5 p.m. It's currently 2 p.m. So, meron pang 3 hours for us to go there. Pero again, ang good thing is, it's just across the street. Yung source of light namin. Tada! Ay, sorry, nandun pa yung maliit akong hand carry. Ayan.
We're trying to get some other guides that are already here to do the visits, but they have too many visits. So what we can do is we can give you physical audio guides, and you can listen to the audio guide instead. We're so sorry about this, but something we cannot control. We were not expecting a guide here.
It's now 5:08 in time for our Sagrada tour. Pero our guide didn't make it because of the blackout. So we're doing a workaround with the staff now. I think ang gagawin namin, kukuha kami ng audio guide. Tapos pagpasok, yun na yung guide. It was supposed to be like a guided tour with someone explaining all the things. But
Kaya siguro hindi rin napunta yung guide namin today kasi wala rin trains.
3,
thank you. Ito na lang for now. Like analog phones. So,
Just let us know, okay? And we'll help you with this. Thank you. Thank you very much.
thank you so much. Thank you. trip, I think may ongoing mass. Regular masses are held here. Our ticket includes the tower entrance to this tower, the Passion Facade. Unfortunately, because there's a blackout, hindi kami makakaakyat kasi walang elevator. So they will just refund us. And I asked if we can visit again, but sabi nila we have to book a new ticket. I'm just not sure kung meron pang available, but it's just an extraordinary day-to-day na nangyari to. So, but anyway, it's still okay. We'll still go around. Actually, we lost track of time. 6:35 na. 6:30 dapat kami aakyat. And we're still not done with the tour here.
Sobrang ganda kasi. Actually, yung sa tour nga, di ba may audio guide, hindi na ako nakakapakinig. Sobrang ganda. Ina-appreciate ko na lang yung lighting na nangyayari, natural light coming in na nagbo-bump against the stained glass. Sobrang ganda.
Punta kami na sa museum. Ang workroom siya. Oh, it's downstairs. So, we just finished the tour. Actually, di namin natapos yung museum kasi nag-close na siya. We wanted to buy souvenirs, but di pa rin talaga gumagana yung cards. We tried all our cards. It's not working. And si Chris only had 50 euros left. So, we bought lang the most important souvenirs that we wanted. And the guy said na hindi siya sure kailan pa magre-resume, but we can only buy from the souvenir shop if we have tickets for a visit. So, sabi nila baka late night tonight pa mag-resume yung power. And we really hope mag-resume na siya kasi wala na kaming cash. Oh well. Okay, we're gonna consume our batteries na wala na rin yung power box.
So,
Bye-bye, Sagrada. They said we take a last look so that we remember when we come back kung saan namin siya huling na witness yung progress ng construction. Quick update bago kami lumabas ulit. We only have, actually si Chris lang nga yung may cash, diba? We only have 33 euros. So pinaplano na namin anong makakain kasi talagang cash lang yung tinatanggap. Tapos, madami kaming food dito pero puro chocolates tsaka yung cookies. So, kailangan namin mag-budget. Tapos meron pa tayong water.
Yung ko na muna yung passports.
Iwan mo?
Passports,
Huwag mo iwanan.
Palabas.
Dali natin. Okay. Sige, we'll plan and then we'll check anong mabibili namin sa labas. It's good that you have these on sale. It's going to save our life. We have nothing to eat.
This with offers. This also with the price things is with sale. So there's
Yeah,
less margin.
you're a lifesaver.
You just save us. This is 440. Yeah.
We only have coins.
only have coins. Yeah.
Yep, is correct.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now we have dinner.
Yeah, that's our dinner.
If
That's
you go down somewhere, the bars they accept card.
Card.
There's some bar and coffee
okay.
shop they
Yeah, because
Accept.
in here in
Sagrada,
our
they
card
don't.
didn't push through. I don't know why. But yeah.
like
Good.
offers.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you so
Thank you.
much. Oh my God. Our supermarket haul. Kunyari na lang meron tayong truffle and ham. Okay, so may supermarket kaming nakita na bukas. 5 minutes na lang magsasara sila. And as you can see, meron silang kuryente. So, natanggapin yung card namin. Oh, the line is so long.
Let's go.
Wala na. Sige, ito na lang muna for now.
Yeah. Haba ng pila sa ito. Right now, we're just exploring and looking kung meron bang restaurants na open na may ilaw. Siguro gawin namin, order muna kami, tap yung card para magbayad agad. Para pag hindi nag-push through, hindi mo siya ma-order, hindi nila gagawin. So, uuwi na lang kami. Or yun yung tinatry namin ngayon para at least makain pa rin kami ng real food. Pero, we have our dinner. So yan, try lang.
Tum na ako.
Wala pa naman mga zombie na tumatak. So, okay pa.
Wala the internet.
Yeah. Okay. I don't have any taco shells left.
Ah.
I could get you synchronous quesadilla. Oh, burrito. Quesadilla or burrito.
Ah,
Mm.
water.
Water.
Agua? Yeah. We'll pay for it. We pay?
Okay, now. So,
Ah,
if it
big,
were-
big, big,
Big.
big.
Big. Grande, yeah.
It's stressy, maybe.
Look. This is our
Yung una nating binili.
trial order. Please work.
Please work.
We're gonna eat. We have dinner.
Kaya talaga kami pumasok dito kasi magri-risk kami na padamihin yung pera namin. Yun pala, dito talaga kami makakakain. Man! Daig pa namin nanalo sa slot machine. Hirap na walang cash. Ikaw, ilan dala mo? Punta dito.
Punta rito? Siguro mga 150.
150 euro?
Alam mo saan galing yun? Last
Sa
year.
last year.
Mm.
Ang madami ako dirhams eh. Saka may 100 pa ako na crowns. Sa
May
prag
crowns
lang,
kami.
sa prag lang tayo nag-withdraw. Tapos dito wala. Buti na lang yung mga friends namin. Binayaran nila kami in cash kasi
Kami nag-card.
sila Sheila, punta na sila sa Switzerland. So hindi na nila magagamit yung euros. Isip nagugutom na ako. Oh my God, it's here. Nakakaiyak. Kain na tayo. Hello, good morning. So, after ng mga ganap kahapon, nagkaroon naman ng kuryente, pero siguro around 2 a.m. na yun. Naramdaman na lang namin kasi nag-iwan kami ng isang ilaw sa room. And then, bigla na lang siyang nabuhay in the middle of the night. Tapos, we woke up to messages from our friends who are looking for us. Buti na lang talaga na-restore na yung power. And then this morning, di pa kami nakapag-withdraw. Wala pa kami ibang nagawa because we have a tour also here at
Pak.
Park Güell. Ito yung tour na naubusan kami ng tickets mismo dun sa official website. So, we had to go on, get your guide, no? Get your guide. And we're going to do a group tour today.
Initially, 9:30, 9:20 something yung namin, yung tour. Pero due to some scheduling reasons, na-move kami to 10:30.
So, based on what we've watched before and mga basa-basa, ang Park Güell daw, dati, it was supposed to be a residential parang village. But dahil ang mamahal, hindi siya nabenta. So, ngayon, ginawa na lang siyang park. Excited to see more of Gaudi today. Okay, catch you guys later.
Trekking pala.
Trekking tour, hindi walking tour.